Where's the food?
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, they're waiting for their food.
Fat chickens. I don't mind feeding you because I'll eat you. I'll eat you, fat.
Hey. Don't fight. Hey.
He's ready. Look. He's ready. You want to come in? Where's
Well, I can
Hilda?
get their food. They'll definitely come if they have their food. So
His tusks have grown. Boy. You can eat a bit.
Hey, Piggy. Oh, wait, he's deaf.
Yeah, you can. Away.
Oh, my God, look at you. Obelix, what are you doing? What are you doing, Pig? Good pig. Oink.
Look at her.
Come on, fat pig. Hey, fat pig.
Hilda, you want to eat? Are you ready? We're going a bit early today, Hilda. We're going to eat a bit early. She's a very fat one. Come, Hilda. Come. Come, pig. Come, pig. I want you to have this delicious bacon.
What is it?
Oh, they're all coming now. Look. Hi, guys. Hello,
What is it?
everyone.
What
How's
is
it
it?
going?
You goat. You coming too? Come on. You're gonna lick me, goat. Come on, goat. And what about you, goat?
I can give you a nice
What about you, goat? What is on your nose?
Look, he's coming in back. Maybe that means goodness, I choke you off. Good heavens.
Hello, tortoise. What are you doing there? And he goes. He's like, what happened?
Come, Sippy Sip. He wants me to go with. Okay. You might need the treat. She's coming.
She can hear me, but she's just very slow.
Where did I go, Jacob? Oh, wait, Cinder. Come, Sybil. Come, Sippy. Oh, look, you know where to go. Where to go?
You want to go to bed? You want to eat this?
You silly goat. You silly goat. Why y'all all around me like this? Huh? What do you want? What do you want from me? Come on, goat. Come on, goat. Come on.
Pretty good job.
Come on, goat. Come on, goat. Man, you fat. You're a fat goat. She's got a baby in there, huh? You know, just me and my goat friends. She's got a baby in there, right? Or is there something wrong?
I don't think so. I think I would know how to. Hey, so one stall is open?
Come on, goat. Now run. Go be free. Go be free. Ugh. Come on, go be free.
Wonder why
Go be
they're walking
free.
so slow. Usually they run sometimes.
There you go. Go to bed. Come on, everybody in.
Yeah, nice.
Everybody find your spot. There
There's
you
the-
go. The horny toads.
I have a feeling like Lady shouldn't be with this group. Lady?
You just leave her alone. Let her come by herself.
Well, she will be in the back, but I just. Okay, go behind them, and herd them.
Come on, let's go, guys. Come on, Gimp. Come on, goat. 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 Nope, nope. Come on, goat. I know. Come on, goat.
I don't know if she should be with the horned goats.
Come on.
Come on, sheep. Left balls.
Damn. You got a bunch of wool. You woolly woolly. Woolly woolly. Bats flying. Whoa, that bat came right close to me. Whoa, they're all over the place. If you look over in the sky, there's bats flying all over. So I wonder if there's a cave nearby there where they live, or if they're just living in the chimney or something. There's a bunch of them. They're all flying right now, eating. As the woolly sheep go running off to bed, the bats are flying. They're all right here flying in this field, getting the bugs. Well, I'm Petro, and that was a bit of the farm life here in Tennessee. You know, we got the horses, donkeys, ponies, geese, chickens, sheep, woolly sheep, all the goats and the pigs, and all the bats flying overhead. And this is a Friday night for Petro, Tennessee. You can be doing what you're doing, but you ain't doing what I'm doing. Out.